In this video, you'll learn how you can easily save field records and scouting notes from the palm of your hand. It doesn't matter if you utilize precision equipment or not on your operation. If you have field notes or records that you'd like to save for future reference, this app will be useful. Here's how to get started. Alright, first download the FBN apps from the iTunes or Google Play Store. Drag the icon to your home screen for easy access, and then click the icon. From here, you're going to be prompted to sign in with your FBN email and password. This is the same email and password that you utilize to access the desktop version of the website. Now that we're in, go ahead and click on My Operation. Here you're looking at your timeline view of your entire operation. This has every single record that was saved on all of your fields rolled up into one neat view. If you don't see any fields or records here, it may be because we have not received your field boundaries. You can send in your field boundaries to data@farmersbusinessnetwork.com in the form of planting or harvest precision files or FSA maps. For assistance with this or anything else for that matter, give us a call at 844-200-FARM. Also, as a quick note, if you utilize precision equipment on your farm and have added those files to your account, all of your planting, application, and harvest events will automatically show up in your timeline. All right. Let's take this a step further and look at a specific field. So let's click on the Fields tab. And then from here, you can search for a field, or you can quickly scan the list and select the field of interest. Let's click on DADS 80. So from here, you see a field outline of the field, and you can actually scroll back in time to see all the records that were saved on that field. This goes all the way back to 2016. Great. All right, from here, let's click on a record of interest that you're trying to get a little bit more information on. Let's click on this scouting event from April 26th. All right, from this scouting event, you can tell right off the bat where the operator was in the field when he or she kept that note. You can see the scouting note here about some weed pressure, and you can also see the photo that was logged by the farmer. All right, let's go back. Let's create our first note. So let's go up to the top right and click the plus sign. And from here, you have a few selections to make here. So you can choose the type of note, whether it's application, planting, scouting, irrigation, tillage, crop damage, or harvest, to help you categorize the event. And let's click on application. All right, from here you have a couple different options. We'll run through them really quickly. You can create a new application from scratch. You can select one from plan if you've previously selected a chemical application on the desktop version of the site, or you can easily access the most recently used application. There we go. So from here you can edit the application rate, you can put some notes in here, you can change the coverage, and you can select a different time if you need to. You can also even add some photos. Go ahead and click on save. And there you have it, your first record has been applied to that field, and if you go back to your field and operation timeline, you'll actually see it shows up there. It's important to note that multiple people on your operation can actually utilize this app. That will essentially set it up so that when other team members are logging and saving records on their phone in different fields, you'll be able to refresh this page, your timeline view, and actually see those new records pop in here. Or if you happen to have to go to one of those fields and look into something, you'll be able to see their notes as well. Thanks for tuning in. You can also get the app download links by texting the word FBN to phone number 313131.